write a to-do list and then look at it like, cute, but that's not happening. That's because lists don't care about your energy. Mine does, and it's called the fuel board. Let me show you how to make it. So we are going to be creating 2 columns, and we're going to name them the task stash and the fuel slot. What this template does is it drags your tasks into suitable energy slots. Now that we've got both of them beautifully written, this is just to mark the places, and you can now select table view with the database and click on new empty database and name the database task stash. Next, we're going to add some properties. So the first property is going to be a select property, and this is just for selecting your priority level. We're going to be adding 3 options. It's important, can wait, and no rush. Once you've selected the priority, click on the add property button, add a date property. And the third property is going to be a checkbox property. And the fourth is going to be a select property. This is where you're going to be adding your energy levels. So the options are going to be high, medium, and low. And I like to be fancy, so I'd color code them as well. Going to be hiding the database title. Now just click on edit a template, and what you want to do is basically click on today. What this does is it basically automatically adds a date on the day that you create the task. So in case you ever want to integrate this to a calendar type setting, it will show you which task you made that day. And it'll be much more easier for you to organize your tasks based on date. We're going to rename that task stash, and we're going to set that new page as default. And now we're going to be changing the layout to a gallery view. This is just to make the tasks look neater and easier to navigate. Card size to medium and the card image to none. And this is a sample task that I'm going to create. Show you how it looks. You do not have to put the energy level in now, because the whole point of it is so that you have a bank of tasks, and then later on you're going to figure out how much energy each task takes. Now we're going to go on to property visibility, and you're going to click on priority so that it'll show you which ones are the most important. We're going to delete our title, and we're going to move on to the fuel slots, because that's all we're going to be doing for task stash. So create another table view and new database. We're going to name them fuel slots. We're going to hide the database title as usual. We're going to be adding all the properties that we did for the task stash one. It's basically a copy and paste. All the properties that we did to the first one as usual. With all the importance, all the priorities, all the energy levels. Same thing, nada nada. You can duplicate it if you want to. I just like putting in the extra work. Be color coding high, medium, and low to red, yellow, and blue respectively, with respect. I'm gonna name the title Not Done. And then we can go to layout, and for this one we're going to be choosing a board layout. Now this is currently grouped by importance, but we want to group it by the energy level. So you can go to properties, group, you can click on group by, and you can press energy levels. Now you've got this comprehensive color-coded columns of different energy levels where you'll be dragging and dropping your tasks. And now you're going to duplicate this template and you're going to rename it Done. So this way you can see your completed and non-completed tasks in two different views. I'm going to filter that by the checkbox property. And we're going to be deleting the fuel slots title. Now we're going to property visibility, and we're going to show the priority and checkbox. Now I find the empty page icon annoying, so basically I'm turning it off. Now you can add a sort filter and sort it by priority, and you want to click it to descending. It'll show you all your tasks from most important to least. Yeah, we're going to be creating a button, and this one is going to be an add task button, and this is just for those people who are way too lazy to just press the new page button, or you just want it to feel a little bit more like a personalized website. So I'm going to change the icon. So select add page to and select your database. In our case that's TaskStash. Now this is how you can basically drag and drop your tasks into the different fuel slots, so you can be mindful of your energy as well. And that's it for the fuel board. If you're too lazy to make it yourself, I see you. Just check the link below and grab it for free from my website. I've also included a little snippet of my energy template, the pulse system as I like to call it, so you can get a taste of the full system. And if you want the whole shebang, the full system is also available too, on pre-launch prices for the first 5 buyers, so don't sleep on that. Comment down below if this sounds like you, or if this actually helped you get your tasks in order. I want to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.